So, what you been doing in the woods?
Apparently getting poison ivy on my face. It is so itchy. You got it on your arm too, right?
Yeah, I got a little on my arm.
I guess that's what we get for playing in the woods. We thought since the poison ivy was dead that it wouldn't be a big deal, but my face says otherwise.
I gave you my heart like it was better off that way. Everything was different, but we always stayed the same. Look me in the eyes and tell me what you wanna say. I can see the honesty, it's pouring from your face. Yeah, never could replace. Yeah, I just wanna stay. I'll give you the love that I know that you needed. I'll treat you the way you deserve to be treated. Can I say it loud? I will love you till the day that I die. Cross my heart.
That's looking like a sturdy shed.
I agree. So, we broke the vent cover that went on top of the shed. So we bought some polycarbonate, what you'd use for a greenhouse, and we are going to try that out.
Rusty old blade.
What up?
What you got there?
I got my drill. Ready to get to work. I'm losing out just a little bit.
So this is Loctite.
Morning.
Good morning.
So we are getting the grader to come back out to touch up the driveway again. We have some massive ruts from the rain.
Surprise, surprise. Here, you can kind of see where the water does that and there. But yeah, so this is really the steepest section of the driveway, and there's just some deep ravines. This is the problem child right here, though.
Rise. Yeah, that's pretty tough with the steepness of the driveway.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we took a risk with having that steep of a driveway, and now we get to pay to fix it.
Yes. Hopefully not as often as this last time.
Yeah, so it's been done for about 6 months, and we have had some torrential rains this winter, and there's really just one section that's really bad.
So after we get the grading done, we're gonna have a guy come out and put the seal coat on top of the driveway, just on the really steep part. So we're gonna see if it does any better. I hope it will. It's like a really thick paint, is what he explained. So he said that he didn't know if it would hold up. He had done a couple other driveways like ours before. Well, probably not as steep. And he said that he never got a call back. So we're hoping that it does better.
Yeah, so typically that seal coat is just for paved asphalt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see. hopefully it helps hold it up. And the reason why we wouldn't go ahead and just pave the driveway would be because we want to build back here in the future, and the big trucks with all the weight would just bust it up really bad. And
yeah, it's a decent bit of money.
That's a decent bit of money, and then we'd have to take it all up and redo it after building was done. So really just trying to make it as best that we can right now. And yeah,
so we'll let you see how it looks.
Run away, run away, run away. I disappear, I go back inside my mind. The places we had, do they become our faces in time? All the way, all the way, all the way. I swear again, I'll never figure you out. The places we run, do they become our faces in the shadow of a doubt? Love is come to slay us, love is come to lay us down. Has she come to save us, has she come to see us drown? The monsters in us are unbroken horses, the beasts in our blood, the unbroken.
so also the grader just left and our driveway is fixed. Next up, we will have the seal coating done, and hopefully that will completely solve our water issues with this driveway. So here's how it looks now.